Hello, I'm Yang from Soundking Group, now introducing you DM20 digital console designed by our British and German teams. In the next section, I will introduce the operational method of app wireless connection. First, press the Setup button to enter into System Interface and turn on the Wi-Fi module. To the left part, we see a Wi-Fi on and off button, which we now tap to open. This is used to searching for Wi-Fi connection to upgrade system. To the right half part, we see the app hotspot. Tap it and see username and the code that we already set. If a code is not needed, you may turn it off right here. First, we set username, for example 20. Any name is okay. Then set code here. Just in order to make it easier to remember, I put the code simply as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Click OK and reserve it. Remember, hotspot signal can be sent out only when reserving it in a right way. Now, the hotspot signal is available to an iPad. We open the iPad with a Soundking DM20 app already downloaded. Please be noted that up until now, only Apple iPad is compatible with the DM20, with which other devices, like cell phone or devices based on Android system, are incompatible. Click Setup. Turn on Wi-Fi. After turning on the Wi-Fi, we will see an user interface like this. It is automatically connected as we have done it before. Close this interface after connected. Click Soundking app. Then click Scan to have a console in the Select Mixer module. Click Console and then Connect. Now we see the user interface and the live signals on it, which are real and consistent. All of these indicate a sound connection with the DM20. If the digital faders are not controlling our voice volume, it indicates an unsuccessful connection. Same to DM20, we have here functions like copy, paste, and add effects. All of these are workable here. First, we may click the inputs button for bus 1 to 8 and 9 to 20. Now we randomly select a channel and see how the channel corresponds to the physical fader on DM20. After seeing the correspondence, we turn to try the other function up there on the interface. Right here we have a 48 phantom power, reverse, gain, delay, and high pass filter, etc., which are identical to that of the DM20. Following that, subsequently we have EQ, compressor, and a gate. And after that, we have a bass send module, which is the only difference between DM20 console user interface and the app. We need to adjust the volume in a horizontal way in the app interface. Also, we have a pre-fader and a post-fader, just like we do on the console. Here we see previous and the next button to enable a fast switch over different channels, which is a very useful button. We turn to the bus interface, which is almost identical to that of DM20 console. In same places are those buttons located, such as solo, mute, and acoustic image. They are all adjustable in correspondence to the DM20 console. For many times, we have mentioned this correspondence, so whenever we need to use earphone, the functions of solo and mute button can be used. Moreover, we make every move on APP corresponsive to that on DM20 console, including but not limited to functions of bus output, delay, EQ, etc. Generally speaking, we design the APP interface out of a straightforward and intuitive way.